It's the weekend and it is day 12. Day 12, the Let It Go Diet 21-day recipe planner. They have everything mapped out for you. You just cut it up, chop it up, steam it, cook it, blend it, smoothie it, juice it. Just follow it and you'll do better. I'm down 10 pounds, 8 to 10 pounds in 12 days. And I'm packing myself with nutrients, right? You'll see that in a second. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel, like the video. It helps us out a lot. Let's hope millions of people watch this because I want to help lives. I want people to feel sexy. I don't want them killing themselves with pizza and steak. Hey, you want to do that every so often? Just reboot yourself. Challenge yourself to this 21 days of eating clean. You will love it. The way you feel is amazing. Why did I start this whole Let It Go diet thing? My lovely girlfriend gave me this. It's a picture of my dog, an English bulldog. He was sweet. He was great. His spleen burst. He had immediate surgery. They said he had stage 4 cancer, a month at best, 3 months to live. No way. No way in heck. By the grace of God, prayer, and eating. From that day forward, I cooked every single meal for him. A lot of veggies. And he needed beef. Dogs need beef. That's what we chose to give him, and it was beef. He lived 3.5 years cancer-free. I changed his diet. I went ahead and changed mine and lose 30 pounds the first time I did the Let It Go diet. I'm down 8 to 10 pounds now in the first 12 days. I'm over halfway through. Today's recipe. And before we get started, everyone, call your parents. If you don't have parents, call someone you love, call a friend, say hi to your neighbor. Reach out today, let them know that you care. And just for fun, yeah, I'm wearing this wig. If you tuned in just for the wig, hallelujah, hallelujah. Today's Juice 5 recipe is called the Yummy Bright Red Juice. Why? Beets. What goes in it? 15 celery stalks, 9 kale leaves, 3 cilantro handfuls, 9 beets, 3 cucumbers, and 3 lemons. One nutritional tidbit for today is beets, these guys here, are high in nitrates. Endurance athletes have been known to eat beets or drink beet juice because the nitrates help the muscles use oxygen. So if you're an athlete or you're an everyday person, eat some beets. Do it with the Let It Go diet. Alright, so before we get to juicing, let me move my lovely wig out of the way. Remember, have fun in life. That's why the wig is on. It's to have fun. I want you to have fun. And I know when you do the Let It Go diet, you're going to feel sexier. You'll feel better. And you'll do silly stuff like this. But in all seriousness, make good, healthy decisions. Do the Let It Go diet for 21 days. Try this juice. Try any other recipe if you want to give it a try first. All videos, they're online. You can go to letitgodiet.com and download the book, or, just follow the recipes online. Short story again. Those that tell me, hey, I'm on a diet. Really, what are you eating today? A bagel, a light salad, and a carrot, maybe a cup of yogurt. Really? I'm having 2 juices. This is one. This is one. I mean, this is like 5 pounds. 5 pounds of fruits and veggies, mainly veggies. So, before we get started, I washed everything. I chopped everything. Remember, I have a 1-inch chute on my juicer, so everything needs to fit down there. I had to chop things up. You may not need to do that. I'll start with the heavier dark greens first, and then I'll follow it by stuff that has a lot of water, like the cucumbers and the beets, believe it or not, they have a lot of water and a lot of fiber. Fiber comes out to the right, we discard that, throw it in your compost, do what you need to do. The juice comes out on this side. That is heaven for your body. So, I'll get started juicing. It has a plunger if I want to push it down in there. But once you get things going, things get lubed up, just throw it in there and move on. So as you can see, things go in there pretty quick. And then this is a cold press juicer. It kind of presses it and just mangles it all together and squeezes the juice out. So I put a few leaves in there, a few stalks in there. Celery has a lot of water too, but if I wanted to kind of just wash it out and push it along a little bit better, I'm going to throw a cucumber in there. I'll go ahead and juice this whole pan. It should take about 15 minutes. I'll be back to show you what it looks like, most importantly what it tastes like, and I'm looking forward to you doing this. I promise you, if you're hesitant or on that fence, on that border of saying, do it. Do it, stay committed, stay clean eating, you'll feel great. Be right back. All right, we are done juicing the yummy bright red juice, and it's like a deep purple, I don't know, maybe a crimson. Actually, it's a deep purple. I know this is going to taste absolutely wonderful. Beets are sweet, offset by the cal, the cilantro. It's a good, healthy drink. I need to rename this whole Let It Go diet thing. It's going to stay Let It Go diet, but it really is for everyone. But right now, because these past 2 years, people are home in this pandemic, not only that, it's good to stay healthy, but everyone is working home, more people are sedentary. If you're not out running and exercising, this is the way. 21 days, you're going to drop 15, 20 pounds. It depends what your body fat ratio is. If it's really high, who knows? And if you're eating burgers and Big Macs and all that other stuff every day, you might drop 30 pounds. I don't know. If you're eating healthy and you just want to continue eating healthy and pack on nutrients, you saw the whole pan, you're just going to be healthier, maybe lose 5 pounds. We don't know. It's all relevant to each individual person. So let's go ahead and pour in this juice. If you look, I mean, it made a whole pitcher. I got to drink this and one more juice just today. That's a ton of nutrients. This is the fiber from the juice. Oh, look at that. I just cut myself. Look at that. Can you see that? It's beet juice. That's beet juice. All right, let's give this a stir. Tell me, Beets, man, don't let it touch anything. It stains it. As always, let's give it a taste. Yummy, bright red juice. Man, I'll tell you, I love my juices cold. When I could drink this now with a big straw. It just tastes like I'm drinking a farm. I don't know. Imagine drinking a burger. If I said, oh, this tastes like drinking a steak. Imagine if I said it. Love the hairdo. Love the channel. Subscribe to the channel. We appreciate you stopping by. Get ready to watch the next video because you are preparing yourself for the best decision you're going to make. You're going to do this Let It Go challenge. I know you are. Looking forward to get a big cup to fill this up. Have a good day.